In this video, I'll show you how to use the Wi-Fi direct feature of your Brother color laser printer. This one over here is the HL-L3220CDW, but what I'll show you next works with many other models. So let's get started. Turn on your printer and let's go on the control panel here. So under control panel, press the cancel button, just so we don't have anything on the screen. I'll just cover it so you see better. And with the up and down arrow here, you simply need to click it a few times until you see network. Then press once on OK. Click the down arrow until you see Wi-Fi direct, and again press OK to confirm. Now we have multiple options. We have manual, group owner, push button, pin code, device info, and other stuff. What we need to do is, well, click on manual, press OK. Wi-Fi direct on, of course we want to turn it on, so I'll press the up arrow once. Wait a few seconds. And here it will tell you the name, the Wi-Fi name of your printer, and then PASS, and the password will be displayed. It goes quickly, so you have maybe to take a small notepad and mark it down, because it does not give you much time to take note of that password. Then go on your iPhone, Android, or PC, Mac, whatever device you're using. Go in the Wi-Fi settings and you should see your Brother printer. Click on it and enter the password that is on the display. Type it there and connect. Once your device is connected, let me show you how to print. I'll use my iPhone since it's the one that I've connected to the Brother printer. Take your iPhone, could also be an iPad, it's the same thing. And depending what you want to print, open your picture or your PDF file. Let's say I want to print this, okay? And by the way, if you're on your camera roll, simply open the picture you want to print and you're going to see the same symbol on the lower left side. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. Press on this and then this menu will appear. Usually print should be one of these options. You see, print. If you do not see it, don't worry, go down and print will be maybe lower. Then under printer here, if you click, you're going to see your Brother printer in the list. Click on yours. Select the number of copies. In my case, it's just one. Here you can select if you want to print in color or in black and white. If you want black and white, just turn it off. You can print double-sided as well. And select the size of the paper that you're going to use on your printer to print. You also have media and quality. If you click here, you'll be able to select from draft, normal, or best quality. If it's a text file with a small graphic, you can leave it to normal. I think it gives pretty good results. But if it's something with fine details, I always suggest you bring it to best. Never use draft. Honestly, it gives terrible results. I don't even know why they have put this option there. Once you're ready, press the print button once and wait. Usually the print should be out in like 12 seconds. Here we go. We got our print out, it looks perfect, and this is about it. If this was useful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links if you want to get toner or paper or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my Amazon links, I get a very small commission. Thanks, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.